walking alone at night, but it's also about the unsafe environment women face in broad daylight. मीन्स सिर्फ रात के अंधेरों में ही नहीं बल्कि दिन के उजालों में भी महिलाएं खुद को सेफ महसूस नहीं कर पाती हैं. एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, पब्लिक प्लेसेस, वर्क प्लेसेस और इवन देयर होम्स, कोई भी जगह पूरी तरीके से सुरक्षित नहीं मानी जा सकती है. सबसे पहले हमें ये समझना और सोचना चाहिए कि वाई इट इज़ हैपनिंग, व्हाट इज़ द मेन रूट कॉज ऑफ दिस इनसिक्योरिटी, कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट. सो लेट मी क्लियर यू लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दैट इज इट इज़ बिहाइंड दैट हम अपनी बेटियों को तो सुरक्षा के बारे में समझाते और बताते हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं अपने बेटों को लिमिटेशंस, रिस्पेक्ट, बाउंड्रीज के बारे में बताना भूल जाते हैं, या फिर थैंक यू, या फिर हम ध्यान नहीं देते, जिसकी वजह से जब वो ग्रो करते हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में तो उनके अंदर एक माइंडसेट होता है कि वो सोचते हैं जो मर्जी वो कर सकते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द रियलिटी ऑफ नंबर्स. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिपोर्ट ऑफ नेशनल क्राइम रिकॉर्ड ब्यूरो, इट मीन्स NCRB, in 2021, more than 4.28 cases were registered against women across our nation, including 31,677 cases were only about rape. It means per day it was 87 cases, and approximately in every 16 to 17 minutes there was a heinous crime, such like rape cases had happened. It is not only on 2021, still it is going and happening in our country in 24 even. It's 21st century, still we are raising the voice for women's safety. We must have grown that much that we should not talk about this in 21st century. We have reached to moon, but still we are facing this problem. My dear friends, ये आंकड़े हमें सोचने पर मजबूर करती है कि 21वीं शताब्दी में भी हम इन चीज़ों का शिकार हो रहे हैं. वी आर कंटिन्यूसली फेसिंग दिस इशू. India is a country where women's safety is complex. We live in a country with a rich history of strong and powerful women, from the Rani Lakshmibai to the modern days women. But at the same time, the headline of the newspaper remind us of the danger women face every single day. Women face everywhere in public or workplaces some insecurity. You can feel it's important to recognize that women's safety is just not about the physical protection, but it's also about emotional and psychological and digital now. Women and some invisible. My dear friends, when a woman step out of her house, she should not worry about what is she wearing or what the time of the day it is. It should not be her priority to ensure her safety, but it should be the society's priority to ensure and give her that safety. My dear friend, remark my word, ladies and gentlemen, that a change in mindset is crucial. A change in mindset is crucial. We need to shift blaming the victim to addressing the actual issue. You know what? Gender inequality, lack of education, these are the main reason that women are facing such kind of things. As I mentioned that जब तक समाज में सोच नहीं बदलेगी तब तक पूरी तरीके से हमारे देश में सुरक्षा कायम नहीं हो सकती है. Adding to this point, I would like to say about cyberbullying and cyber harassment and cyber stalking, my dear friends. With the rise of social media, this problem has also grown up. Women are not unsafe in the actual world, but also in the digital now. My dear friends, let me tell you that according to the report, more than 50% of women have faced somehow like sexual assault in the public places and even digital now. This contains cyberbullying, cyber harassment and cyber stalking. Who all are doing this? Who whoever is sitting, it might be possible we are doing the same as sir. And many people has earlier mentioned that we have two character. When we are sitting in the crowd, we are so suffocated. But being all alone, we become vulgar and many things more. So we need to understand that we are human being first. Please understand that. And also another growing issue which I like to say, that is domestic violence. As I mentioned that महिलाएं खुद के घरों में भी सुरक्षित नहीं है. According to the report of National Family Health Survey, Miss NFHS, 30% of women have faced domestic violence. My dear friends, you know what? One thing, the stigma around women for speaking up against domestic violence prevent women from seeking help. और कहीं ना कहीं इसके पीछे जो मुझे रीज़न लगता है वो ये है कि कानून होने के बावजूद भी इनका सही तरीके से इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ना होना इसका सबसे बड़ा रीज़न है, जो कि हमारे सिस्टम को कमज़ोर कर रही है, जो कि हमारे सिस्टम को वीक कर रही है. I would like to tell that what can we do to address this issue. So we can do one thing, that is awareness and education are the keys. We need to teach our boys and men well educated. They need to be well educated. I'm not talking about academic education. I'm talking about moral education. It means naitik shiksha. They need to be well educated from the young age so that it will create the future and culture where women is respected, not objectified. Because she is not an object. Because she is not an object, she is a human being and she has all the right to live her life as she wants. Yes, right. And thanks for supporting all of you. We need to empower women, we must empower women, educate them and also make sure they are financially and emotionally independent. And it's not just about safety of women, it is all about dignity of women. Women, this is not just a women's issue or problem, it is social issue. जब तक हम सब साथ में मिलकर इस पर आवाज़ नहीं उठाते हैं तब तक ये चीज़ें लगातार होती रहेंगी. And if you wanna see like society, you are welcome. But if you wanna change, you wanna see the change, you have to stand up and support each and everybody. आज किसी और के साथ हो रहा है तो कल आपके साथ भी हो सकता है. और for that, if you are not gonna stand up for somebody else, nobody will for you. So. I just wanna end my speech with a thought that is, जब तक हम समाज में हर नागरिक, हर व्यक्ति, हर सिटीजन को ये बात समझा नहीं पाते कि औरतों की और महिलाओं की इज्जत उनकी अपनी मर्जी में है, तब तक हमारे देश में पूरी तरीके से सुरक्षा कायम नहीं हो सकती और लागू नहीं हो सकती. Thank you very much for listening to me carefully.
Mike.
Really, it was fantastic and we all liked your feelings. So I would like to say one easy quote that is, मुश्किलें दिल की इरादे को आजमाएगी, ये मुश्किलें दिल की इरादे को आजमाएगी, ख्वाबों के पर्दे निगाहों से हटाएगी, ख्वाबों के पर्दे निगाहों से हटाएगी, गिरकर भी मत खोना क्योंकि एक ठोकरे ही तुझको चलना सिखाएगी.
एक और बहुत अच्छा हिंदी का कोच है, मुश्किलों से जो डरते हैं जलीलो खार होते हैं, मुश्किलों से जो डरते हैं जलीलो खार होते हैं, बदल दे वक्त की तकदीर वो खुददार होते हैं, बदल दे वक्त की तकदीर वो खुददार होते हैं, हजारों डूबते हैं बाखुदाओं के भरोसों पर, जो अपना चप्पू चलाते हैं बेड़ा पार होते हैं. बस 1 घंटा मांगा मैंने. I just asked for 1 hour. सपोर्ट ये भी है. यू सिटिंग विद मी, इट्स अ सपोर्ट. आई नो एवरी वन इज बिजी. क्या लगता है मेरे राइट? आपको सिर्फ बैठना है हमारे साथ, क्योंकि जितने बच्चे बोलना चाहते हैं अगर वो नहीं बोल पाएंगे, कल के डेट में बोलेंगे सर हमको चांस तो दिए नहीं, आप अगली बार नहीं जाएंगे. आप इसको डिसर्टेन करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज सपोर्ट दिस गाइज, राइट? शी इज गोइंग टू मोटिवेट यू. कीप इन शॉर्ट.
Yes, sir. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
I hope you are all fine. Actually, you are a student and I'm also a student. I face some problem in my life. That's why I would like to motivate you. When you want something in this life, don't expect everybody to help you, everybody to support you. Don't expect it to make sense, everybody. No. What do you think, guys? I'm telling a lie? I'm telling a joke? No, I'm talking the reality of life. No matter what, somebody is standing by your side. If you are standing by your side, no one in this world, no power in this world can move from place you deserve. I hope you understand what I want to tell you. Many people will push back against your ideas. For future, many of which will be your own friends and a family. They will call you stupid. They will laugh you. They will laugh at you. They will doubt you. They will stop you. But guys, please, it's my humble request. Don't listen to these guys. Don't listen to these guys. You have to listen to yourself. You got to have a voice inside yourself that is so strong, that is speak louder than all the crap people talk to you. If you just sit there and accept everything, guys, that thrown at you, life will trample you. It will kick the dirt in your face and tell you, you are not good. Do you want to listen these statements? No. Don't let it. Don't let these negative people beat you down. Don't let it be. At some point, you got to start standing up yourself. You got to start fighting yourself. Get away from all. Get away from all these negative people. You know, guys, who aren't doing nothing with their life, these people are toxic. I'm telling right, guys. These people are toxic. They will attack you. They will attack on your journey. They will actively work against you. But you should not. You must understand yourself. You must respect yourself first. Guys, like I respect myself first. I always told myself, I am only one. No one. I have unique quality. No one have. Guys, you should speak like that. You know who dictate how far you can go. Who dictate how far you can go. The possibility is you are unlimited. If it's building a business, starting a career, making a difference, anything you can do, whatever believe you can do. You have to build your level of self-confidence, self-belief. Today I'm here, I motivate you. Maybe your teacher, your mentor, your friend motivate you. After some time, you forget everything. Unless you self-motivate, say, hey, come on, I know the condition is not good, but I know today is bad day, but I will see tomorrow better. I will make tomorrow better, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you all understand my point. Thank you for unwavering support.
Great honor to stand before you today to discuss an issue that is not only close to my heart but also critical to the progress of society. Yes, guys, I'm talking about women education. We can see in India we have 1.4 billion population, and in which we have approx 48% population of women. What does it mean? It means if women don't get education, nearly half percentage population will be uneducated. Can you imagine it? How will our country develop without education? What will our own identity? How will we stand for our rights? And the most important, how our next generation would be well mannered. Let me tell you, in fact, research has shown that educated women contributed more effectively to economic growth. It is saying, girls, if you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate whole generation. You educate whole nations. You can create brighter future for all. Let me tell you guys now. I'm telling telling you now, times are changing, right? And we understand how it is essential for women to have education. But there are still many places where girls don't get chance to go to school, where girls don't get freedom. Why is it happening? What should we do? What can we do? We have to show more interest. Only girls, you can show more interest. You can be more passionate. Let me tell you, girls, I hear lots of girls. So I'm telling you, you cannot fulfill your dreams after 40 years, after 35 years. Because when you get married, you will totally confined in the four walls of their in-laws. Am I right? And it is the reality of our society. Whatever has to be done now, has to be done from today, has to be done from here. It is saying, girls, if you educate, sorry for that, it is saying, girls, when girl is child, she dependent on her father. When girl is married, she dependent on her husband. And when girl is son, when girl is old, she dependent on her son. What do you want? Do you also want to be dependent on someone always? No, you should not to be dependent on someone. You should not to be like that. You should to have independence. You should to be master of your destiny. And the only way you can do it if you are educated. Yes, my dear friends, if you are educated. When you get education, you can represent yourself with confidence. You can hold your self-respect. You will have the power to change the world. In conclusion, I would like to share with you one beautiful quote, that is, if you are not willing to learn, nobody can help you. And if you are determined to learn, nobody can stop you. So thank you so much for this. Let us continue to fight with cows determined. Thank you so much.